There are the beets. They're growing in the ground. Let's see how many there are and what they look like. Alrighty, we put the spade in under a couple, loosen them up. There's the first brave volunteers. Let's dig the rest of them up. All right, we got the beets out of the garden. Here's a little patch where they were growing. And let's see what the beets look like. They're over here. There's quite a few of them. And I would call these the summer beets. And the reason I'd call them that is because some are big and some are not. Now let's take them over and get them cleaned up and cut these tops off. Alrighty then. Okay, we are gonna trim these guys up with the scissors and wash them. Wash most of the dirt off. Then we can take them inside and put them in the boiling water. Alrighty. We'll cut them off like that. That one's got a wasp. Yeah. Surprise. We'll cut them off like that. Then we'll give them a little bath. All right. All right, these guys are all trimmed up. There's a basket of them. Now it's bath time. We're gonna wash them off and stick them over in this basket. Then we can take them in and put them in a pot of boiling water. There's one. Put his buddy in there with him so he's not lonely. There we go. Okay. Well, I think you'll get the idea. So they've all made it to the last bucket, all nice and clean. Put them in there and get them ready to go. Here's what we do with the leftover tops. We take them over, across the street, feed them to our neighbor's goats. They love them. Mm-hmm. Salad. Oh yeah, happy goats. Okay then. What do you guys say? Thank you. Alrighty, let's heat up some bath water for these guys. Get them ready to go. That'll take a little while. See you shortly. Alrighty, it's time to give them a bath. We'll put a few in there and see how they like it. I'm sure they'll love it. Oh, yeah. Ooh, that's some hot water. Boiling. Okay, they've been boiling for about a half an hour. I checked them and they're soft enough. I think they're done. It's time to take them out and put them on the rack to cool off. Well, here we go. Pull these little beets out. And I don't know if this is how everybody does it, but this is how I'm doing it. Oh yeah. Well, these things smell good, that's for sure. After they cool, peel the skin, finish trimming them up. Then we can slice them and put them in the vacuum sealer. Get them ready for the freezer. Oh yeah. See, the skin's already starting to peel off. Okay, we took them out of the pot onto the cooling rack, and now they're in a bucket of water to cool even more. And then we'll peel the skin and slice the root and the leaves off all the way. And at that time, they'll be ready to slice up, put into some bags, and do some vacuum packing. Stay with us, it's gonna be exciting. Oh yes. Well, here we go. We're gonna trim these little beets up. We're gonna pretty them up, get them ready to head to the refrigerator for a little while. Then we're gonna slice them and vacuum pack them. But for now, let's finish the trimming. Here's our first brave volunteer. See, the skin wants to peel right off. That's good. Might need to help with a knife. Oh yeah, this is fun. This is gonna be way fun. Yes, indeed. Now, I should be wearing some little rubber gloves, but I'm not. Oh yeah. Okay. Got one done in the bowl. Well, there we have a bunch of beets. Big old bowl of beets there. They're ready to go in the refrigerator for a few minutes to chill down. Then we'll slice them up and vacuum pack them. See you then. All right, we're getting a little closer to the end of this process. Right now we're going to slice these into slices and then put them in that pan. And after that, we'll be vacuum packing them in bags like this. That's a quart bag for our little freezer thing, our food saver. There's one, the first one. I'm cutting these about 3/8 to a 1/2 inch thick because that's how I like to eat them. Alrighty, and the process continues. Now it's time to get a few of these beets bagged up and ready for the food sealer. So let's see how many we can get in each bag. Since I like to eat beets, I'm going to put quite a few in each bag. Just enough for a meal for my wife and I. The lovely Pinay from Spudville. Maybe a little more. There's one. Let's do a few more. Okay, they're bagged up. We're finally getting close to the end of the process. Let's suck the air out of these bags and get them ready for the freezer. Oh, yeah. Let's just stick that on there like so. Takes a few seconds. Then we seal it. That takes another 10 seconds or so. And we'll see what comes out. And it's almost done. Let's see. Oh, looks like it's gonna work. There's the bag ready for the freezer. All the air sucked out of it. Stick it in the freezer. Let's do some more. Alrighty then. I'm so glad we're to this point. See y'all later. And here are the beets, all packaged up and ready for the freezer. Oh yeah. This is the part that I've been looking forward to. Get these things done. All right. Of course, I left a few out because I like to eat beets all the time. Beets are good for you. Come and get them. Wonderful, luscious beets.